Welcome to Marine Life. It's been a while since we post. About a few months, 6, 7 months, whatever. Welcome to a beautiful day in Florida. Nope, sorry, Arkansas. Welcome to Marine Life, guys. It's been a while. Glad to be back. Posting new videos lately. Beautiful day here in Arkansas. So I'm no longer in Florida anymore. We moved up out of Florida a few months ago. That's the reason why I've been not posting. Down 80 pounds. So if you guys want to know about my whole new life experience, about going life change journey and what I've been doing, we moved up here. I live on a lake now, and the Dusky is still gonna be used. The Dusky has not worked since it got hit by lightning last year in 2023 in April. You can see that video over there if you want to see about it. I talked about what happened. So with the move and everything that happened, I was not able to get it repaired. And today is summertime, and I have a beautiful lake to go to, which I'll show you some clips of it. And I want to get this Dusky running. So today we'll be taking the CPU to send out to the company to get it repaired. I actually found a manufacturer or a company, and I'll put the link below. Simmons, and they repair. They're the number one. They said number one Mercury PCM repair in the States, United States. Number one PCM Mercury builder in the States, they say. So that's what their website claims, and I'm excited to send it out to get this back instead of having to wait for a new computer, which I'm still waiting for. They're still back ordered from last time I checked. So I say I save a lot of money by doing that and take it off. Hopefully they can repair it and rebuild it. So let's get into the video. So this is my 225 Mercury 09 horsepower Optimax, and there is a PCM, and we're going to be taking it off and then we're going to ship it out. They're saying that it's going to take anywhere between 8 to 10 business days to get it repaired and sent back to me. We'll see how fast it is. I'll keep you guys updated. So we're going to actually take this from apart. So there's about few screws. So there's about a few screws here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. They started being disconnected from the dealership when they worked on it. They told me everything was wrong with it. So hopefully I can repair this, because this will be the original one. Be kind of cool to keep the original one. So it's been nice living up here. A lot different, cheaper life. I'm actually enjoying it. So there's an 8mm screws. I go here. That one. Take this one out next. Very simple. What we're going to be doing today, getting the sound system working again too. The radio works, but the amps were blown as well. So for those who watch stuff from my fish tank, I no longer have my giant 200-gallon tank anymore. I got rid of that when I moved. I had to get rid of it. I didn't have a choice. So all I have is, I got rid of 95% of my livestock, and I kept a few fish, and I got a 40-gallon breeder that I had, and I drilled into it, made that my tank for now. Take another tank hopefully soon. Like I said, I'll put the link of the company below we're sending it to, in case you guys have a computer that got fried or needs repaired. They do it all. The best thing about keeping it like this, especially working from home, is that if they can fix this one, I don't have to worry about programming it for this engine, because it'll be already programmed. If they actually offered used ones too. They some they have a used one in stock. If they can't fix this one, they said it might be sell me a used one. So, all right. All right. Pretty simple, but that's all. They're just taking us out. Let's get it packed up and shipped out. Hey guys, all right, second part of the video. We saw me take the PCM out of to ship it out. Where I'm sending it below, I'll show the website. It's supposed to be the #1 place in the USA to replace or repair your Mercury outboard PCM. But on the other hand, I want to do something else today too as well. The last video I made right before everything was the NOCO charger came in. Well, when I moved up to Arkansas, the boat was put in storage because I moved up during the winter in December, January, and it was already cold and snowy. So I left the boat in Florida in storage for a while, but there was no connection for electricity. Well, in that moment, one of the batteries went bad. So today, I'm gonna try to bring this battery back to life with the NOCO, but I noticed in doing so that if you notice the NOCO, I installed it already, wiring has to be done, but the first channel is not green, it's red. I'll show you close up in a minute. But I also noticed that the battery on the left is the interstate, which is the motor battery. It's the one that went bad. It's not charging. Some of the cells have low water in it. So what happened, I guess, was when I had it parked, the rain in Florida was so much and it flooded the bilge that the bilge pumps kept pumping water out, and it caused the main battery to drain out because the bilge is connected to the main battery, and that's the second one. The second one's still good, as you can see. So I'm gonna put some water inside that battery, and then I'm gonna put water and see if we can put the NOCO into repair mode and see if it'll work. Let's see how good this NOCO is. Don't know if you know anything about battery repair, but this is not a seal battery. This actually requires maintenance. But what you do is you pop these things right there and you put water, but the water you put in has to be distilled water. It cannot be regular water. So a lot of times if you do that, it could bring the battery back to life. So let me pop those open real quick. I need 2 hands to do it, and then I'll show you guys what to do. So I got one popped off, so I'll do one side first, but I don't know if I can get in there or not. But see, the one looks like this, still on, and then you put the water into the holes. Again, distilled water, drop it in there, and then fill it up, and then we'll see the NOCO can bring the battery back to life. Let's hope for the best. Alright guys, so I filled both of them up. See, let's put some water, it's okay. But I don't know if you can tell the difference now, how much water is filled up there. Now on the NOCO, from what I read, to get it to get into repair mode, the power button, mode button here, and there goes the 12-volt repair. See, it's flashing 12-volt repair now. So as soon as you hit 12-volt repair, you let it go, and it flashes 12-volt repair, and that should allow us to try to repair the one battery that thinks is bad as we're talking, and that's how it's done. Pretty simple. Now we just wait and monitor it, see if it repairs. If they all go green, it worked, and hopefully I want to replace the battery, which is 4 years old now, but hey, hopefully it won't. All right guys, well, that's it for today. I'll check back on and give an update, and I'll give you guys in touch as far as repair goes. Send the computer out, get it back, install it, fix all this wire mess, and probably make some videos of me working on the amps for the subwoofer and speakers, and we'll start getting that ready so I'll wait for the computer to come back. All right guys, until next time, have a good one.